Good afternoon everyone, so we're looking at another, it's a brand new brand for me to review. It's called the OLEVS, and we're going to have a little look today at their Hulk homage watch. So initially look at the outside box. We've got a simple cardboard outside cover here, just to reveal inside a nice black olive style, OLEVS style, simple lift off lid style box. Nice sort of texture going across the top there. Got a decent weight to it as well, but that's probably including the watch as well. It presents itself in a very similar way to, what are those, Pagani design, that's it. Presents its way, very, very similar sort of Chinese-y way. I think it's a Chinese brand, I haven't looked into it massively. There's this one, you can get a sort of manual about how to adjust your watch. Let's get the full manual and adjusting tool in there as well. But adjusting tools nowadays, they don't cost a lot, but it is nice to have that touch added in. Let's get rid of some of these. That's over it. See if I can remove this bit of plastic on the back here. I think I'll leave that for now. So here we go guys, this is the OLEVS Hulk 41mm with a 11mm case thickness. Retails around about £40 and the stated weight is 168 grams using a quartz movement as well. So this is the OLEVS, it's basically a homage to the Green Submariner Hulk. Very, very popular design, same as sort of most of those designs nowadays. With that full sunray style green dial going all the way around there, you can see that sunray dial reflecting around inside there. There is a sort of plastic cover going on the top of this, so just bear that in mind. Just going to keep it sort of as new as I can. Fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and it even says dazzling quartz watch down there. Not sure, a big fan of that, but it's no matter. And the Cyclops eye going over the 3 PM for where the date is. With this watch, it's stated that you get 30 meters of water resistance. Inside the actual face, there's no sort of... It's just a plain mirror effect that tilts down into the face so that it reflects those increments quite nicely. Full dashes going all around inside. With a Rolex, you might see a serial, or you probably would see a serial number inside there. So coming into the bezel, you've got a unidirectional style bezel there, full green set in there on a stainless steel plate, full stainless steel crown and full stainless steel finish going all around the side there. Coming down to the strap, you've got a 20mm style strap. It follows the same sort of design as the Oyster Perpetual strap, but then it does feel quite sort of flimsy, quite cheap. It rattles as well. It's adjustable by little tiny pins on the sides. I think Oyster straps, they should be adjustable by screws, but obviously the cheaper quality ones aren't. Coming down to the clasp. Oh, that'd be one. So you've almost got a push button deployment triple fold over style clasp, with the adjustable area inside behind the actual clasp here. A cheap inside component, but it's got a nice click down hinge here as well. So it's not the cheapest, but also not the best. You can actually hear that with how it's rattling as well. But having one of those little bolts in the middle of it helps it secure down nicely. Coming down to the back plate, full mirror finish on the back there, with a serial number and your sort of release number, etc, etc. So guys, that is the OLEVS Hulk.